Okay, so we have your example number 1. A committee has 8 female and 12 male members. So what is the probability of choosing a female as the president of this committee? So the probability of choosing a female president or female as a president is equal to the number of favorable outcomes, that is the number of females, and the total number of outcomes, that is all members. So the number of female here is 8, and the number of male members is 12. If you are going to add that, so 8 plus 12, meron tayong 20 as the total members. So here, the number of females or the favorable event is 8, and the total number of members or outcomes is 20. So the probability of choosing a female president is equal to 8 over 20 or 8 by 20. So pag ni-reduce sa lowest term yan, divided by 4, both numerator and the denominator. So we have 2 times 4 is 8, and 5 times 4 is 20. So we have 2 by 5 or 2/5. That is the probability of choosing a female as a president. Okay.